Let's learn some vocabulary words that start with letter F. We'll start with knock knock. Who is it? Flag. Flag. Flag starts with letter F. A flag is a piece of cloth or something similar that is attached to a long pole. A flag is used to represent something. Usually a flag is used to represent a country. Flag. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Frog. Frog. Frog starts with letter F.
Uh-oh.
A frog is a tailless amphibian with a short body and long hind legs. Frogs can live underwater and outside of water. Frog. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Feather. Feather. Feather starts with letter F. A feather is a flat and light appendage that grows from birds' skin. Birds use feathers to help them fly.
Hey guys, I'm right behind you. Oh, come on guys, stop going so fast.
Feather. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Fraction. Fraction. Fraction starts with letter F. A fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. For example, you can have 1/2 of something and 1/2 of something. If you add 1/2 plus 1/2, it equals a whole. 1/2 is considered a fraction. Fraction. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Forest. Forest. Forest starts with letter F. A forest is a habitat that is densely populated by trees. Forest. We have one more. Knock knock. Who is it? Flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingo starts with letter F. A flamingo is a bird with long legs and a long neck. And it looks like a flamingo's feathers are the color pink. Flamingo.